Hey guys, Lamonster here at Lamonster Garage, and we're going to do an install of our Black Diamond Ryker floorboard. It's currently the largest floorboard on the market. It's one that we've had out for quite some time. We've made some little bit of changes here and there, and this is a 2.0 install video, and pretty simple install. But we'll go ahead and walk you through it. We're going to go ahead and do the brake side right now. This is your components for the brake side. The board's going to mount to here. Here's our Black Diamond board, and this has our optional highway bracket on it, and it's a very popular item also. It allows you to just stretch out a little bit further. People feel very comfortable on it. They actually, you know, just especially, we have a lot bigger guys than we thought they were going to be riding this, and they just need more room and they need to be able to stretch out. So anyway, very popular. We're going to go through the install. It's pretty easy. So I'll move this cart away here. And first thing we're going to want to do is remove the stock peg, and this bolt here is a 6mm bolt, so you just want to lift that up, and that takes the tension off of this here. So we'll pop this bolt out. And as you know, if you own a Ryker, you can move this anywhere you want and adjust it. We're as far forward as you can get on this particular one. All right, so you pull this out. This is your stock peg. You're going to reuse this bolt. Here's the piece that you're going to go now on the brake side. It's obvious because it has this little nub here, just like on the foot peg. So that's the difference in the two sides. So you're going to want to tilt that up. Also, yeah, you're going to want to raise the brake all the way up. So this, basically to raise this, all you do is you pull it out, and it will lock into the proper place. And now with the floorboards, you're going to want it up as high as it will go. So we'll go ahead and crank this in. Get nice and snug. All right, now to fold this down, we don't have a big peg to fold down on it anymore, and you can't do it with the floorboards on it because of the brake pedal. But what we do is right here, and I should have showed you before, but there's a square cut into this block, and that's for just a 3/8 ratchet. And what it allows you to do, put that in the hole, so that gives you the leverage to lock that into place. And just pull that out. So that's just a little added benefit. So now these bolts here, these are actually, use a 1/4 inch Allen on that. Snug them down. Okay. And now we're ready for the floorboard. Now this, like I say, this is optional. It would come with this off, but this is our demo bike, so we're showing it with that on. So if you get your floorboards and it doesn't have that, I told you it doesn't come with it. It's an option. Okay, and this is 8mm. sure the brake is good. We've got plenty of throw on that. I'll go ahead and sit on it and show you the it's a nice neutral position, easy to rotate your foot up and onto the brake. And then these are the highway brackets for those that want to stretch out or just kind of feel more relaxed. But that's it, guys. That's the Lamonster Garage Black Diamond floorboards for the Can-Am Ryker. It will fit all Ryker models, 600, 900, Rally, and probably whatever else they come out with next year. So, hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can call us at lamonstergarage.com. There's a phone number there, or just shoot us the email, and we'll try and help you through it. Thanks. Bye.